Wonderful people, following the state of emergency wey dey happen for inside Rivers State as we dey talk right now. No be small thing these few days now a lot of things don happen. They say many pipeline for inside Rivers State don go down as we dey talk right now, and more are coming. As e stand though, they say that the people of Rivers State say they will never take this, that Tinubu do not have the power in anywhere to put state of emergency. They are not at war with anybody. I go play some videos for you, may you hear wetin they talk before we go come back come continue. A lot of things don happen, and as e stand right now, they say that wetin the military men they do for there, they say e no good for this last one. Anybody will be like say wan bring your phone, one video, or they look you waka somehow, that person don enter inside gbese say we go bring the videos come show you before we come back come continue. Just stay tuned and watch the full video.
See what is happening in Rivers State, where we have state of emergency because of someone was videoing and the person was caught. Someone was holding the camera and they had to stop and arrest the person. Soldiers are everywhere in Rivers State. Like, it's crazy. Even here, if you look.
I'm waiting they happen for PH now. Jesus Christ, bro. What's happening? What the fuck? This is crazy, man. Nigga, shit the fuck up.
The thing we see in Sudan today, where I don't know as I go take column. I was also surprised. Then say state of emergency. But we need to fight for here. We need to fight. We need to kill each other. But then say state of emergency. My first of seeing state of emergency in Nigeria. This one is my first one. So, and many things will don't happen. What we would expect of state of emergency, what we need to see. But I wonder how this one, but where we take them in a very good faith. So, we'll not go kill ourselves. As they don't declare state of emergency, for my own opinion, for me, I wish I be the governor or being other people. Rivers State no they two, no only one. I wish I be them, make them put head together, reason as one, so that after this is state of emergency, we'll not they fight too, so that we go still be our Rivers State. This one now where they don't go bring soldier man, come push another man from another way, I come here. Me, I don't know what they say we do, but no problem. So, let's for those people. May see call them. Now him be the governor, it don't be. Now we can bring and come. That's why I say no try. See, talk of since him no try. So many things involved. If I talk and maybe another thing will happen. So no need. But true to everybody no say no try. Because monkey no go walk, bamboo go chop. It no go happen in anywhere. So, making you still using head as a learned man, call those people. Let them reason as one.
I'm not happy about it. Everything is not just smooth and it's not real. It's not good. The way we heard about the announcement, our governor, our faithful governor, to be trusted, is very humble. And everybody believes in him. He's a peacemaker. So let them make the state also peace. We don't need any other governor or any other military men. We need our governor in Rivers State. Thank you.
Understand? What is that pressure? Scope on us. I wish I'm a governor. I wouldn't even tolerate it.
What would you have done if you are a governor?
Me, I will even use all my veto power because they is paying me now to look down on the governor like that. Me to destabilize him plan like that, a young man like that. A veteran man for him is ready to work. That they don't allow him to work. What is happening? I don't know him. I never know his phone number. I never even know him from Adam. But me, the thing is pain. It's a painful something. But I live every.
Now you have crippled people, and all we see is wah. What for? Because of one man? I will say it over and over and over. What's going on in Rivers State is not similar like in Fubara. what's going on in Rivers State is a comeback for the economic soul of Rivers State. Somebody wants to grab the economic soul of Rivers State. The soul of Rivers State, for 24 years, they kept milking us. That was how our money was flying all over our heads. It is here today, it is there tomorrow. It is funding all kinds of foolishness. This is the first time that civil servants have been paid the 13 months. Every Christmas for 2 years, civil servants get paid. Civil servants have been paid all their salaries. For the first time, there are roads connecting the riverine community. It has never happened. They told us, they lied to us, they told us our terrain was too bad. Now we know our terrain is not bad. Now we know. He told us that we can have election here, and it can be anywhere but no war, no bloodshed, no gun shooting. And it happened here. And it happened here. Today you have told everybody to go. He says yes. You say go and resubmit a budget. He writes, he says, come and choose with me a befitting place that you want so that I can present this budget. You made it impossible for him. He wrote, I am coming to you. You locked him out. He wrote again to say, I will still come again. And you wrote to him as reply that for insubordination or whatever. And then the next thing you do is this.
Who is in years or wicked? I have restrained myself. Who is in years or wicked? Who is he? They know if we come, they will die. That is not two way. You will die. If you come, we'll die. None of us will be scratched. We will walk away.
So the president, you have enjoyed peace as far as the Niger Delta people is concerned, because the Ijaw people have given you peace. You have enjoyed all level of peace. Watching your minister, because I don't want to think that Wike is acting his own script. It has happened in the history of Nigeria when a Yoruba man was that this is a plot to kill another Ijaw son. Ijaw nation will resist this by any means necessary, because we live by the doctrine of self-determination and resource control by any means necessary. We are not a conquered entity. Mr. President, we love you as a people. We want peace for your administration. Please call your minister Wike to order. He shouldn't cause breakdown of law and order. Because remember, all the oil that fuels this nation still lies in our territories. And we can pursue everybody. We own this land. It is our land. We will not compromise the integrity and the interest of our people. Mr. President, we call on you to call your minister Wike to order. You cannot be on a bottle of whiskey.
Wike actually insulted the whole Ijaw nation, and after the insult, you see all the Ijaw people, everybody coming out, like, hey, you do this, that, don't dare, don't near Ijaw, don't near Ijaw land, don't do this, don't that, do that. After all the threat and everything, Wike actually went to Ijaw land, did that ceremony successfully, and nobody, no Ijaw person, nobody open, nobody do ping. Like there is no pim. After insulting the Ijaws, you were after the threat, they say, hey, Wike don't near Ijaw land, hey, Wike don't do this, hey, Wike don't do that. If you near Ijaw land, you will see like this. If you near Ijaw land, you will do like this, protest and this. Wike actually went to the Ijaw land, do his ceremony successfully, and nobody, anybody do film or pin, no pin. He did it successfully. And what does that mean? That means Wike has proven to them that it's not by show, I will come, nothing will happen. I am stronger, I am bigger, I am better than all of you. And it's a proof. And I feel pity now for the Ijaw nation, because this is a proof that the Ijaw no get mouth. Only one Wike get mouth, get power, strong past the whole Ijaw nation. That's just what it looks like. That's how it is. You want to say something, just say it as it is. This is exactly what it means. You can guess. I don't know who you take advice from. I mean, a good luck they give you advice. Is it good luck? Good luck, Jonathan. The guy who put us for this state where we are today is an Ijaw man. He's an Ijaw man. All these things that is happening is trying. You people are now showing us that it's not good to give Ijaw man power. The Ijaw men are not men enough to handle power. That's what it actually means. All these things what they do. It's showing, is a proof. It's showing that Ijaw men no get mind, no they good to give power. Like they cannot handle power. They don't even know their left from their right. They don't even have power. That's what. Because this situation, this place where we did today, now Ijaw man put us for this situation. This problem where they cry hunger, hey, this, that, still they skyrocket, hey, yo, this, they do it, price, do this, they, fuel down from 200 naira, reach above. The German put us for this situation. If the German that ruled as a then was man enough to say, no, we will not enter all this problem with it. If the man will rule, good luck as a then was man enough to say, no, my people are not going to allow my people fall into this problem, standing ground today we will not fall inside all this problem, we will fall inside. Where they have a sitting president sit down for this country, this Nigeria, where me and you there, where we not acting the rule. Sitting president go sit down, people go there outside when your turn will never finish. Now come out now, where they happen now only for your German body they happen. Nobody cannot happen. Even when Buhari rule, people they complain, say no go come back second time, no go come Buhari. Even when they pray, say make the man die. The man no buy, the man come back still rule up on the way everybody die against him. He come back, he rule. I mean, Tinubu now come back. I don't know if Tinubu will come for second time or say no go come back. I did laugh on. If on a like one, I come and vote like Tinubu go rule in 8 years, rule like complete. Nobody go do thing for inside this country. Yes, nobody. Tinubu will rule his 8 years, rule it completely. No bagger can do thing. You go ruler. Now for Rivers State, they don't carry power give Ijoma. You don't know what you don't know what power be. You don't know what power be. You want sit down for 6, make them knock and come up for 6. You want them on top 6, make them knock and come up for 6. Then I will give Ijoma power again. Now, the same thing of the swap and the same thing where the Rivers State governor now want put us. You won't put the Rivers people now for that same thing because of what you're not strong enough to protect the city and to protect your people. You won't carry the whole Rivers State now, shake, fear nothing come out. You won't carry and hand over give somebody, make them packet the Rivers State, package put inside your pocket, make the whole Rivers citizens they suffer. Because of what? You cannot stand, you are not man enough to say, no, this cannot happen. You need to be man enough, my brother.
My people, these are the things where they happen for inside the Rivers State. I will say more bring and co show now. I beg as you they watch, make sure say they drop your own opinion for inside comment section. And no forget say you see there for Barabas J's.